Hey everyone, Dutch here from BuildGameBox, and now we are going to take a look at combining our luck and choice mechanics. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go grab our previous project template from GitHub here. We're going to go and we will click on the green code button. We'll download the zip somewhere on our computer. We'll open the containing folder. We'll then extract the zip file, which contains our GDevelop project. And now we have the starting point downloaded. In this folder, there is a .json file, and that will be the file that we are going to open through GDevelop. Okay, now back over in GDevelop, let's open up the project that we just downloaded. We will go to File, Open, select Where from our computer. We'll navigate to where we downloaded the file, and we'll select the .json file. And then you can click Open, and then that should open up the project for you within GDevelop. Now here you'll see it only opened the events. So we're going to open the project manager, and then we'll open the main scene from there, and everything should pop up for you. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is come in and add a new scene variable. So we'll click on Edit Scene Variables, add a variable, and we'll call this variable current role, setting it to a number and 0. We'll hit apply to save that. And now that variable is saved into our scene. So now we're going to want to add some luck into one of our choices. So we're going to choose the runaway action. And so we're going to add a new action to that. We're going to choose change variable value. We're going to select that current role variable we just created, and we're going to do a random in range. And we're going to select between 1 and 100. So this is going to give us a random number between 1 and 100 and assign it to the current role variable every time we click on player choice 2. So let's take that and let's move that up to the top so it's the first thing that gets done. There we go. Now let's do a little cleanup here. So we're going to delete these changing of the text so that the buttons don't continue to change text each time we do it. So we'll take all 3 of those out. And then we want to see what our role is. So rather than have the location text sent to current choice, which is run, we're going to set the location text to the current role. So this way, current choice gets set to the current role, and then the location set text is set to the current choice. Now we're going to add some new actions here because we want to hide those buttons. So we will choose to hide player choice 1, hide player choice 2, and we will hide player choice 3 as well. And this will just give us a little more space on the canvas to see what's going on. Now, the next thing we want to do is add some sub-events. So you highlight and then click the sub-event button. Now we can add some new conditions underneath. And this is where we're going to evaluate what that random number is. So we're going to choose our current role variable value. And we're going to say if that role is less than 25, and that will be our new condition. Okay. Now we're going to create an action here. And what we're going to do is change the main story text to be something different to indicate what the result of our trying to run away is. So in this case, if you get under 25, you failed to run away. And we will save that. Now we're going to add some more subconditions or sub-events for the conditions of a role between 25 and 75, and one for above 75. So we can copy and paste that one that we just did, and we'll paste it twice. And then we're going to update the conditions here so that we can see if the variable current role is greater than or equal to 25. And then in addition to that, that is also less than 75. And that will allow us to see if the role is between those two numbers, and then we can set a new value for that. So in this middle case, we'll quickly change the text that we set main story text to be, "You made it." So we can consider this kind of a soft success. Now for the final condition, we want to check to see if it's greater than or equal to 75. That way we've captured all the different values we could possibly get in current role. And we'll consider this a critical success. So therefore, we'll put in a more fun message and tell the user they ran faster than ever. Now I'm going to come in here and add another exclamation point. So you can see the first one is 1, the middle 2, the third one is 3, just to give another little indication of the change in state. So now let's give this a preview. And when you click run away, you'll notice, oh, we failed to run away. Restart, try again, see if we can get some of the other cases, not getting lucky. There we go, ran faster than ever. Well, this is wrapping it up for our combination of luck and choice. I want to thank you guys for sticking around, and please check us out for the next tutorials.